Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys we'll show you how to remove and replace ignition coil on Mercedes W163. We'll be demonstrating on ML320, but the 430 is about the same procedure as well. Maybe even ML350 and ML500. That's the one right here guys. We're doing transmission replacement. Many videos to come on the channel. Please subscribe, let's grow it together. Let's make that channel big. Thanks for the support guys. Okay guys, so that's the engine cover here now. We need to remove that one. So you need to grab it on this side first, pull slightly on this side. Then on the back there is nothing there. There is one more clip here. It's a rubber seal. Okay, we'll show you how to do that now. Okay, just like that. There is one more in the back. You have to be careful, very careful not to break that hose. That plastic hose, that's a vacuum hose. So now you need to pull it in an angle. Okay. And careful with the mass airflow sensor here, okay, and it's gonna come like that. Always you wanna make sure that that piece right here is still there. You have the rubber bushings here, okay, you can see that's the one holding. There is only 3 spots holding, and sometimes those will come off, so you need to make sure they're still there. So we have one bushing here, one in the back over here, and then you have one there, and ours on the very back right here. Okay, you can see, okay, this one is good, this one there, okay, that's broken for some reason. Somebody didn't pull it apart before the right way. This one should be here to hold the holes on the bottom, okay, like that, but ours is cracked, so we're going to glue it together and it should be fine. It doesn't hold too much here, it's mostly on those 3 bushings. So first we need to remove the lid. In order to do that guys, there is a couple clips like that we need to release, as you can see, and some are hard to reach, so you just pull them up, okay, like that. Make sure that they're not holding. This one is done, okay, another one here, there, and there is one that's hard to reach on this side. Okay, let's see. And now we need to do this one, and there is one like that on the bottom side as well. Okay, and now you can go ahead and pull the lid out of there. You just the bottom one probably, okay, it's loose, just like that. Alright guys, now we need to proceed with removing the filter, air filter. Okay, that's the box assembly right here, air filter box. So what you need to do now guys, you need to grab it with hands and pull it out. There is a few rubber bushings, okay, you see, okay, like that, and it could be stuck pretty bad. So okay, it came out from another one. I think there is 3 of them. Don't remember exactly, to be honest with you, how many, but we're gonna get it out now in a second. There is one right here that's holding, you can see pretty good right here in the corner. So we need to grab it and pull it this way. Okay, you can pull the hose, that here, that intake little hose. Okay, and it came out. Okay, now you have that here. Okay, you can see it goes through here. And now we have a, okay, you can see you have a clip with a cable on the bottom. Really trying to get a good view. And ours got stuck. Okay, you can see, so we need to pry that clip out of the box assembly. You can see this thing goes right here. So not very hard to do. You can see those are the 3 rubber bushings that I was talking about. That's where the air box goes, you can see. And now we'll just get a prying tool. Okay, got it out. Okay guys, and now that's the air box assembly right here. Okay guys, so if you want to replace all ignition coils, you need to remove the air filter box right here. But if it's only a single one, you can probably reach it that way. We're doing quite a few repairs. We took many things apart, but all you have to do is just remove the top cover of the engine, the air filter box. And now let's say we want to replace that ignition coil here. You need a T30 socket or a bit. Okay, need to remove the bolt. There is a bolt there. And now you need to disconnect the wire by pressing here, okay, like that, and pull it. You can probably even do that, okay, before you remove the bolt. Next, you need to disconnect the cables. You need to remember in which way they go. The bottom one is actually for spark plug B, right here. You can see top one is for A. Okay, so not to get those confused, and you just go ahead and pull them out. Okay, like that. They'll be stuck a little bit, but that's good because it's good connection. Otherwise, you might not get good spark. It's a double spark per cylinder, double spark plug. Okay, second one came out, and that's the ignition coil, guys. Right here on it, it tells you actually. Okay, let me get a good view. A and B, you can see where they go, so you cannot get those confused. Part number, if you need it, right there. So that's how you guys remove it. You just install it the same way we took it apart, guys. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and install them now. Make sure they click all the way in. A and B corresponding to each other. Okay, like that. And we're going to go ahead and install the bolt. You can see okay, almost there. Okay, that's good. And next we just need to install the wire and put the air filter box in place. So that will be the whole procedure, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Let's grow that channel together. Please subscribe.